Welcome! In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 ultra slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to get cursor back on the screen in case your touchpad stopped working. Now the easiest way to enable your touchpad in case it stopped working is by pressing FN button and escape button at the same time, and then check if your touchpad started working. If it didn't, you can do this a couple more, give it a couple more tries. But if it still doesn't help, then the other way, if you don't have an external mouse, is to press the Windows button once, then press Tab once, then use the arrow key, the right arrow key, to go to the settings, and once the settings are selected, press Enter. Now press Tab, then down arrow key, select Bluetooth and devices and press Enter to open it. Press Tab button a couple more times until the devices are selected. Scroll down with your down arrow key and select Touchpad, press Enter, and then once this toggle is selected, just press spacebar, and if it's been switched off, then press spacebar to turn on your touchpad and check if it works for you. And if it doesn't, there is another method that might help you. So close this window by pressing Alt F4, then open the Start menu by pressing Windows again, and then search for Device Manager. Open it by pressing Enter. Now, once you're here, press Tab once, and then using your down arrow key, go to Human Interface Device. Then to expand this tab, press right arrow key and select HID compliant touchpad. Press Enter to open it. Then press Tab until the General is selected, right here. Then press right arrow key to go to the driver. Press Tab 3 times to have until you have the disable device selected, and press Enter once. Then left arrow key to select Yes, and press Enter. Now press Enter once again to enable your touchpad and check if it started working. And if it didn't, don't worry, there is one last way to re-enable your touchpad. Press Tab once again, select Uninstall device, press Enter again. Now click Alt F4 combination. At this point your touchpad surely shouldn't work. And now press Alt F4 once again. Press down arrow button to select Restart and press Enter. And then wait until your device is restarted. Now once the laptop is restarted, you can try to use the touchpad once again. And if this didn't help, then in such case this might be a hardware problem, and in such situation you'd better reach out to Gateway customer support service, or maybe go to the nearest repair center and let them take a look at your laptop. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.